Good morning, friends. Welcome to another episode of The Story of the Storyteller. In this episode, let us look at Modi's privatization of profits through selling profit-making public sector units and nationalization of losses. All losses are put on people while our profits are pushed to the corporate cronies. Friends, as you all know, Modi has set a target of 2.5 lakh crores from asset monetization. Modi government is planning to sell 100 government-owned assets across sectors to private players. This includes 50 railway trains, 150 railway stations which are going to be privatized, 7,000 kilometers of roads, 13 airports, 30 ports. Sports stadiums are also sold to private players. Like that, lot of government assets have been planned to be privatized this year. Even power has been privatized. Transmission assets of power grid, which is considered to be the backbone of any nation, is also planned by Modi to be monetized. Petroleum and natural gas, GAIL, IOCL, HPCL are also put for sale. Shipping ports, a lot of ports also are put to sale. With this, what I think, my dear friends, this is a huge scam. Now let us see what is this scam all about. See, monetization of public assets to private players. That means Modi is transferring public assets to profit-making public assets. Which airport is a loss-making? You tell me. Which port is a loss-making? Is HPCL a loss-making? Is IOCL a loss-making unit? All these are profit-making institutions. All the profit-making institutions like highways are being privatized. All this profit-making is being privatized. That means profit-making is privatized while losses are put on nationalized, or losses are nationalized or are put on people's heads. What will happen is, okay, all these assets, 2.5 lakh public assets means belongs to we the people. These 2.5 lakh public assets are privatized. This will be bought by Adani, Ambani or any of the corporate cronies. 2.5 lakh crores, where will these corporate cronies of Modi get? Again, this money, these Adani, Ambani or any corporate crony will buy these assets by taking loans from public sector banks. This is the biggest scam that I can think of. That means Modi sells all profit-making entities to his friends, corporate cronies, mostly from Gujarat. And how do they buy this? They buy these profit-making assets of which belongs to the people, we the people. They buy this by taking loans from public sector banks. Now, money in public sector banks belongs to whom? Money in public sector banks belongs to small-time people like us, farmers, workers, salaried people, lower middle class. This is our money which is there in fixed deposits, in our savings bank. This money will be given to Adani and Ambani who will bid these 2.5 lakh crores of assets, public assets. They will buy them. And look at the fun. All profit-making assets which actually belong to we the people, the public. But these are public sector banks. Why did the word public come? Public sector means these assets are people's assets. These people's assets, Mr. Modi, so-called great Modi, I will tell him, Modi, Asali Pappu Kaun. I will tell at the end of the story. Asali Pappu Kaun. And now look at the irony. All profit-making companies are sold to private players. Do they have the money to buy it? They don't have the money to buy it. They will borrow from banks. Which are the banks? They are public sector banks. They are nationalized banks. Which is the money that the national bank have? These are people's money. People's assets are sold to Adani and Ambani using people's money. It's our own money. These guys borrow from the banks, buy our own assets. And Modi calls this privatization. And he claims that government has got 2.5 lakh crores. In short, Government gets the 2.5 lakhs crores from people, we the people. If that was the case, what was the necessity for you to sell these assets to your Adani and Ambani? Why didn't you keep it? Because any assets with the government is people's money, people's assets. But today what you have done, you have taken our assets, people's assets, you have given it to your corporate friends, and they give you money from where? They give you money from the banks. And whose bank money is there in the banks? It is our money. Now I leave it to the people of India. Asli Pappu Kaun. Who is the real Pappu? Our assets are given to Adani and Ambani by the real Asli Pappu using funds of the banks. They borrow. Asli Pappu allows Adani and Ambani to borrow from nationalized banks. Whose money is it? It is people's money. Asli Pappu is selling people's assets to his friends Adani and Ambani using people's money. So I leave it to people of India to decide. Asli Pappu Kaun. Jai Hind.